universe, naghahanap ng ninong. No? Magiging ninong ka kung wala kang block. Magiging ninong ka kung open ka to the world. No? Hindi yung self-criticism ka agad. Yung mag-i-start ka lang, ay, Gina naman, di ba? Wala kang pupuntahan kung gano'n ka mag-isip. So, by the same token, I think of my songs as like my own children. I have to bring them to life. And there are some children that are naturally just charming. At saka talaga, makita mo pa lang talagang hit na yan, di ba? Meron mga iba na mahihain, di ba? Parang they come in little side feet, di ba? Ginaganon ka, di ba? Valid din yun. Kanta mo pa rin yun, anak pa rin yun. So I give them equal respect. Now, my process is, one of the rules of life for me is to show up. If you don't show up before the piano or your guitar, nothing's gonna happen. So ang ano ko, as a songwriter, go for quantity. God takes care of the quality. Bigla na lang, produce ka na maganda. It's like the sperm theory. You only need one, but you expel 6 million. Di ba? But that is my view. Just keep writing. And don't judge it. Come back to it later on and everything. No? So, ako ganun. Ang dami kong mga songs that started that haven't been finished. And I can go back to them years later. And sometimes you realize, my gosh, how did I even think of that? You know? At saka yung idea na one of the blocks that I have is this. Pag cliche yung nasa mind ko, di ko na gagawin. Ayoko na. Because you'll sound like everybody else. One of the true aspects of being an artist is to be true to yourself. In other words, you present yourself to the world. You're not presenting a song. You're presenting your whole artistic mind, your whole being, di ba? And that is what makes you unique. Ang ayoko, although dadaan tayo lahat sa stage na to, pinakaayaw kong stage yung, at a certain point, derivative artist ka. Meaning, wow, parang si Bruno Mars ka, di ba? Magaling si Bruno Mars, pero the identity has been taken, di ba? So you want to do something different. You want to be unique, di ba? So, after years and years of that, I still fall into it, yeah, okay. But the whole idea, I think, is to be yourself. Now, my process is, as I said, show up. Show up before the piano, just play things like that, and listen. Lucky for me, I'm an old artist. So, ang aking references go back to 1950. No? Even 1940s music, because I'm an avid listener of any kind of music, even Indian music, pinapakinggan ko. No? Brazilian music, ang tagal-tagal ko na na-discover yan before the world discovered it. And marami. So, ang feeling ko, hindi ako parang nag-invento ng lechon manok, tapos ginaya ng lahat ng neighbors mo, lahat may lechon manok. Tindahan, di ba? Parang you come from a unique point of view, which is yourself. So, you have to kind of know yourself. At saka yung reference mo, ang layo-layo, ang laki ng playground mo. No? Kung nakikinig lang kayo sa music of your generation, you will just sound like your generation. I'm very serious about that. No? So you gotta know a lot of things. You gotta like a lot of things. You know, and ako when I listen with my heart and catching all technicalities. Yung shift from this chord to that, I try to understand that. No? Parang, that is so unique. So, when I do workshops, for example, I give this assignment. No? I say, okay, for tomorrow, write a song, and the motif should be these two chords. Let's say, A, G, A, G, A, G. Hindi G, A, G, A, G, A. Ha? Okay. So, gumawa kayo ng song na yun ang motif. Anong ibig sabihin ng motif? Yung mga verse mo, ganun ang mga chords. Di ba? Tapos sa gitna, pwedeng, sa refrain, pwedeng ibahin mo na. Or pwede mo gawing refrain yun, di ba? Or sometimes, make it E to C. No? Wow! Have I ever done a song like that? No. But I will find out how to do it. So may mga challenges na ganun. No? Don't fall into your regular habits. Sometimes they're good habits and they produce a lot of hits. But you must always outgrow yourself.
So Jim, your process is like you deliberately try to be different each time.
Yeah.
You make an effort.
Parang I don't want to sound like this. No?
So you put like parameters para
yeah.
You experiment with all parameters too.
I got this from years of experience, 50 years. No? A lot of you are just starting and you fall in love with this kind of thing. But I'll tell you one thing. Just because you've made 10 songs, it doesn't mean may style ka na. No. Style comes from years and years later. No? So when I have songwriters who sign up, I tell them, I'm sorry, but you don't have a style yet. You have preferences. So I think what you need is to listen to others, to learn what the real style is. No? Sabi ko, 10 years of writing, hindi pa yun. Meron ka lang feeling na parang gano'n, pero marami ka pang pupuntahan na iba. So gano'n ang ko. So always start like a first time.
Has your songwriting changed from the 70s to now? How different? So it's actually one of the questions is, how has songwriting and composition evolved from the 70s to today?
Well, put it this way. In the 70s, people had more patience. In other words, you could take 30 seconds to get to the song and rise. No? Kasi ang tingin ko sa song is like watching an airplane. Don't stay too long in the runway. I always say that. Especially in this day and age when you write, you cannot have 30 seconds or 1 minute before the plane takes off. Hindi na. Wala nang pasyensya ang tao ngayon. They're bombarded with thousands of songs and everything. You gotta be interesting in 15 seconds. Musically, in arrangement, or lyrics, or whatever. Diba?
Sabi nga, don't bore us. Get to the chorus.
Exactly.
Diba?
Yung melody mo, for example, da 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 da. Walang akyat, no? Second verse. Na 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 na. Oh my gosh, when I listen to the third verse.
Tsaka hahaba ng mga intro nung
But when you start with bam, and when I go away, I know my heart can stay with my love. Wow! Ano na? Lumipad na yung aeroplano, di ba? Parang ang ganda na. Ang ganda na kagad. So, that's how I approach it. Be interesting in as shortest time as possible.
I think it very much applies, especially in joining contests, no? You guys have, Tiara lalo na, so yun ang tatanong ko sa'yo. Meron bang pagkakaiba yung pagsusulat para sa contest or and for,